This video provides an overview of the type of packaging that is not accepted in your curbside recycling collection program. This packaging is accepted at your local Recycle BC depot for free recycling. You may not find all the answers to all your questions, but you can visit the links provided to get more information. In BC, certain types of packaging must be taken to a depot and cannot be recycled in your home collection program. This includes glass jars and bottles, rigid foam packaging, and our new program called Other Flexible Plastic Packaging.
The first rule for these depots is that they can only accept plastics or glass that is packaging. Other materials that can be used more than once or are not packaging are not covered by this program. Common contaminants we see are plastic furniture, plastic bins, plastics from home construction, pool floaties, and drinking glasses. These types of materials are not recyclable. Let's start with an easy one, glass. Glass is breakable and cannot be mixed or collected with other recyclables. Shards of glass contaminate paper, reducing what can be recycled. It can also cut people. Recycle BC depots can take clean and dry glass packaging such as jars and bottles. Beverage containers such as pop or beer bottles should go back to the bottle depot or store to get back your deposit. Other glass jars or bottles for items like pickles, ketchup, or sauces can be taken to a local Recycle BC depot. Don't forget to remove the lids. Hard plastic or metal lids can be placed in your home recycling program. Home canning jar lids and rims can also be recycled through your home recycling program. Window glass, drinking glasses, or porcelain is not accepted in this program. For this type of glass, contact your local landfill for disposal options.
Next is rigid foam packaging. This can come from new electronic items, takeaway containers, or meat trays. Any material used for food should be clean and dry. Rigid foam cannot be collected with other recycling because it crumbles. The crumbles can mix with other recyclables, making it harder to recycle paper. Rigid foam can be white or colored. Any rigid foam with colored designs on it should be placed with colored rigid foam and not white. Non-rigid foam, like the spongy covering often used on electronics, is not recyclable. Other common materials that can't be recycled include pool noodles, foam peanut-style chips, foam used as insulation, or foam seedling trays from businesses. These are all garbage items and cannot be recycled locally.
Now we'll get into some of the tricky items that often give people some of the most trouble. Flexible plastic packaging such as single-use bags or thin film plastics. Plastic bags or film plastics can't be mixed with other recycling. These items get stuck inside other recyclables, which lowers the ability to recycle other materials such as paper. Stretchy plastic bags and film overwrap for dry goods can be fully recycled when brought to depots. This includes grocery shopping bags, stretchy overwrap for material like toilet paper, and thin, see-through coverings used for dry cleaning. A different type of material is called Other Flexible Plastic Packaging, which includes crinkly foil wrappers and bags, flexible plastic resealable bags, plastic pouches with fold-open bottoms, woven and net bags, and plastic protective packaging including bubble wrap. Other flexible plastic packaging is too difficult to recycle. Instead, these materials are ground up and used as an alternative fuel. It's important to keep these two products clean and dry and separate from each other at the recycling depot. This will ensure materials that can be recycled are recycled, and only those materials that cannot be recycled are used as fuel.
How do we tell the difference? Plastic bags and overwrap are not crinkly. Other flexible plastic packaging is crinkly. The rule of thumb for plastic bags and overwrap is that you can stick your thumb through it. Other flexible plastic is too strong to allow you to put your thumb through it. Plastic bags and overwrap are made of one material. Other flexible plastic packaging often has a foil inside or a hard Ziploc. These are different types of plastic, which means it can't be recycled but can be used as an alternative fuel. Lastly, plastic bags and overwrap are used for carrying or holding together dry goods. Other flexible plastics are used to keep food fresh and safe.
Check the link below in the video description box to learn more about what can go in your curbside collection program. The links provide more information about what can be recycled in RDOS communities. Contact your local government or the RDOS if you have any questions. The Recycling Council of BC is another great resource, and their phone number and website are below as well. Thank you for watching.